Hey guys, it's Ves and welcome back to another draw YouTuber. This YouTuber that I'm drawing is Jay from the Cub Scouts. That dude. So yeah, over here drawing him. He's awesome. He just blasted a tweet like maybe a month ago talking about, yo, he wanted somebody to draw for him, whatever. I'm like, come get your girl. Like, come on. Stop playing games. You know you want this art. Let me stop. Let me stop. Okay. So yeah, definitely love Jay from the Cub Scouts. I follow him here, Twitter, everywhere, because he's freaking awesome. He does like Yandere Simulator myths. He does all these indie games, you know, just shout outs to the indie games and stuff like that. He, you know, plays them, gives his little mini reviews. He's just really a cool dude. Definitely love the way he does his content, basically. So Jay from the Cub Scouts has 2.1 million subscribers and counting. He keeps growing. I've been with him ever since he was like in the thousands. Now this cat is like in millions, and I'm like, yo, you're doing really good, guy. You're doing really good. So definitely wanted to give him a shout out, man. I noticed that a lot of my YouTube dudes that I draw, they actually shout your girl out. So I'm gonna show you the ones that I really like my dudes. I'm gonna rep my dudes because it seems like my dudes is the only ones that be like, yo, Ves, I like what you did there. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah, so I just wanted to like give him a shout out, draw him, and definitely send people his way. He's a gamer and he does like a little bit of comedy here and there. I like his little rages that he does, but he's not too much of a raging one. He's more of a funny type of rager. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just funny to see it because he gives you that genuine type of rage that if you're playing a video game, you definitely will be acting that way, you know what I'm saying? So I love that fact, and I love the fact that he does different type of games. Like, he doesn't stick to the mainstream stuff, so you get like a glimpse of like some indie games that's out there that you probably didn't know about, and you're possibly going to be interested in, you know, you never know. So definitely somebody to take a look at if you like that type of stuff. But yeah, for this art piece that I was creating, I'm getting lost in my words too much, but yeah, for this art piece that I was creating, I just wanted him to be his like natural habitat, which was him playing a video game in his room. He has like this white room that he's always in, and behind it has like this little thing. I think it's like a landscape of some sort, but he's always in that room chilling and playing video games. I wanted to have that same type of setting with the shades on the side. Like, if you watch his videos a lot, you'll see what room I'm talking about that he's always in. But yeah, he's always in this video, in this room, in his video. So I was like, I want that room definitely, and I want the red headphones. And he doesn't wear a hat all the time, but he always wears a hoodie. So I was like, definitely he has to have a hoodie or some type of cow neck or something on, because this cat, all he wears is hoodies, and black ones at that. What's with gamers wearing black? Have you guys noticed that? Like, I don't know, in the comments below if you agree, or you know, you feel the same type of way. Go ahead and let me know, because why do they wear black so much? Like, I don't know, Dashy's different with color sometimes, and surely Lamar Winston, but dang, most of the people I watch always wearing black, like that emo. Like, what's going on here? But yeah, we stuck in what, 2000s. No, stop, I kids. But yeah, I wanted it to be dynamic. I wanted this picture to be dynamic and stuff, so I wanted to show his fingers with the game controller. I chose Xbox again. Honestly speaking, Xbox is like, I don't know, when I want to see a remote in a, you know, angle, and it's like, I don't know, like when I think of gaming remotes, I feel that they have more buttons, and Xbox controller has the most buttons on it. Like, PlayStation has PlayStation buttons. It got like a couple of buttons on it. Do your PlayStation stuff and enjoy life. Xbox is different. Xbox has like a Nintendo type of a whole bunch of button feel. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and use that as reference to what I'm doing here, because honestly speaking, that's just my thoughts on gaming controllers in general. It just reminds me of an Xbox controller or a Nintendo controller. So that's what I use for this. If it's not technical to you guys, I'm sorry I offended. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry that I offended any gamers. I am a person that plays a lot of games. I play Xbox, I play PlayStation, I played Nintendo Switch, all that. I played Wii U's. So I've been well cultivated in gaming. The only thing is I really don't have a preference. So I just do whatever, you know what I'm saying? And plus I'm an artist. I do what I want. I kid. So yeah, definitely something that I was just thinking as I was going. It was a really easy type of task because, you know, I love watching him. So I was like, you know, this is going to be really easy. I'm going to enjoy this a lot. And I did. I really enjoyed making it. I just enjoyed the angle that I made and all that great stuff. And, you know, I just went with it. I don't know if you guys are going to notice. You're going to see a little bit later. I did add his blemishes to his to his face because he always got blemishes. He's never like solid baby face. And I guess he goes through some stuff. He needs to detox off the soda. But honestly, really, I wanted to like really make it like him. Like when I did with JD, when I added the freckles, I had to add the blemishes just so that it can match up with like, you know, him and what he does. Definitely add the red headphones. You know that this guy has 1.1 million videos. That's a lot of videos. That's a lot of editing. Like, honestly speaking, I don't even know how much. I think I got like maybe 200 videos on mine, but that's a lot of videos. I think he spits out a video every single day, if I'm not mistaken. Like he just every single day he's doing a video. Right now I'm looking at my bootleg phone, so I'm definitely looking at what he has up for videos and stuff like that. So yeah, that's why I got all the information here, and I'm not going in and out and freaking videos. Because it seems like every time I sit down and I talk about a video... Okay, that was rude. Every time I sit here and I'm like, you know, videos, I want to do it. I want to get it together. It seems like it never happens. Stuff like this happens with the phone. So yeah, he does a video every single day. It's like 3 videos a day. 3 videos a week at least. Or 4. Yeah, 4 videos a week. Which is pretty decent. So that means he has like a lot of viewers and stuff like that. I will say his biggest video, like his following people watch, is like 200,000, I would say, views each video. That's not bad. That's really good, especially for a gamer. So yeah, definitely give him a check out. He has like random games and all that great stuff. Another cool thing that I did here was not the moderate, but just the modern way of me learning how to do shading with using my blend modes. I know that this is like quote unquote the cheating way of doing it because, you know, I'm just adding like this nice cool blue color on top of this other color and just hitting on linear burn so that I can make a different darker color. I know that's like considered like almost cheating, but I like doing it this way because it makes them blend more in the background when I'm done, and that's what I like to do, and I'm sticking to it. You know, I'm sticking to my guns. So yeah, I just did my regular old shading with the cool blue color on a linear burn for the blend modes, and I'm using Clip Studio. A lot of people ask me like what program I'm using. I'm using Clip Studio Paint. I think it's Pro or EX, one of those. If you're going out to go buy them, be sure to keep around in my social medias because they do send me codes telling me, yo, it's on sale. So never buy this program full price, I guess. Unless you want to support, then great. But I'm a cheapskate, so if you want to be part of the cheapskate group, make sure you follow me on all my social medias because I definitely let you guys know when the sales happen. And you can go get your sale there. I know there's a lot of artists that watch me, so might as well shout out the fact that you can do that. Yeah, so I definitely recommend that you guys do that when you want to do Clip Studio Paint. It's just a very affordable program, easy to use if you have a tablet or mouse or whatever you use. If you're using a mouse as an artist, you got some real, you know, you got some real cha-chas to be, you know, doing what you do, man. That's a lot of work. You better than me because I do everything on a Surface Book. So yeah, the tablet that I'm using is a Surface Book, is a laptop computer, whatever you want to call it. A lot of people, they call it a laptop. A lot of people call it a tablet. But yeah, definitely that's what I'm using at the moment. I did add his mic, and I did add again his shades to the side, because you always see those shades. It's like every single time when he when he freaking does his videos, you see them shades to the side, and you're like, well, who's over there? Well, do you live in a house, or do you live in an apartment? Like, there's so many questions because you only see that one room. There was vlogging videos before. I don't know what happened to those. He might have another section for that. I'm not too sure, but his community is very interactive on the comment section. They're cool. He actually inspired me to make my community cool. Like the fact that I like to call us family, make sure that nobody's bullying nobody, making sure that everything is cool. He inspired me to do that, because honestly speaking, when he addressed it in the beginning of his career, I will say, when he started addressing the bullying and people calling people stupid, and he was like, you know, I don't want that to be happening in my community. I was really respectful of that, because I was like, yo, there's a lot of stuff that happens on the internet where, you know, children don't feel safe, and to have a community that you feel safe in, I feel like is important. So definitely shout outs to him on that, because he's really a big advocate of people not treating people a certain type of way. So I do respect him on that, and I'm like, I really need to shout him out, because he really inspired me to do that. You know what I'm saying? Our post community is beautiful. I love you guys, and you guys love people, and it's just a really good time with you. So I really love the fact that we have a great community also, and I want to one day be one of those YouTubers or Twitchers that people are like, yo, I really liked her community. I think I want to make my community the same way. You know, I want to be another walking image of that also, like Jay is, you know. I want to just be more of that, give more of that view in life, because honestly speaking, we need it. It's bad enough this world is like turning into I don't know what, so we gotta stick together, because if we don't, you know, we don't stay united, we all gonna fall apart. So I added my highlights. My highlights is my key to like making everything more uniform, more together. It looks good for me. I did go with a white controller. I don't know why I went with a white controller, honestly. Like, I have never seen his controller. I think it's black, but honestly speaking, I went with a white one because I wanted to have like that white feel, and then he's like the center of it all. So definitely something that I was thinking about doing the whole time for this piece. I did make a couple of edits when I finished this off with like adding the grid marks to the mic, the spit mic, whatever you call that screen thing. I don't have one of those. Do you think I need one of those? How does the audio sound? You know, I'm so random. I don't know why I'm so random, but yeah, I added those stuff, and I added highlights and shading to the background just to give you, you know, more emphasis that he's inside an area. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it to look all bland. I added some lights and highlights to his hair. I almost forgot the highlights too. That's the funny part. And I just, you know, made it as cool as possible. I gave him bushy brows because he does have bushy brows. So don't come at me. And I did give him his logo. Because you want to know that it's Jay for the Cub Scouts. That dude. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, I always have to add, you know, the little intricate stuff, which is like, you know, the stuff on the controllers and just the little stuff that people don't catch all the time. I sometimes forget these things and I add it later, but it's just something that I always do. Go ahead, add the blemishes, hit off my signature, and this is what it came out looking like. So yeah, guys, I think it came out looking wonderful. I like it. I hope he likes it. I hope he see it. I hope he do whatever he does with it, because honestly speaking, that's my dude. I like him. I like the way he does his stuff. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, hit the like. Not dislike, hit the like. I'm always saying it too quick and it sounds like dislike to me. But yeah, go ahead and hit that like. If you're new here and you're like, Vest, I like what you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe, become a post, become one of our family members. I continuously do things like this and streaming. So definitely come down to the Twitch. We be streaming over there. So let's have fun. Enjoy me. Go ahead, hit that follow, that notification. Again, guys, thank you again for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye-bye.